Good morning. In the last class, we discussed about the various forms of straight lines, equation of straight lines in various form. So this period, we are going to use those equations and we are going to apply those equations and solve problems based on that. Before we start with the problems, just recall what you have learned. Okay, what is the equation of x-axis? Revise what you have learned in the last class. Alantina, equation of x-axis?
Y is equal to 0.
Yes. Equation of y-axis is, Jewel?
X is 0.
X is 0. Equation of a line in point to slope form. 1 point slope form. When 1 point and slope is given, Niranjan, 1 point slope form.
Y equal to mx plus c.
No, 1 point. Point is there. X1, Y1. Point and slope. Then what is the formula? 1 point slope form.
Don't remember, ma'am.
Y minus Y1 is equal to M into X minus X1. Okay. Y minus Y1 is equal to M into X minus X1. What about equation of the line in intercept form? Tom Sebastian. Equation of the line in intercept form.
Y is equal to mx plus c.
That is slope intercept form, isn't it? Intercept form means both the intercepts will
X
be
by
given.
a plus y by b is equal to 1.
Yes, correct, Tom. It is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Intercept form means both the intercepts are there. X-intercept and y-intercepts are given. 2 points form. John Joss. 2 points form.
Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1.
Okay, correct. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. And the next one we have learned is normal form. Anashwarya, equation of the line in normal form.
Ma'am, x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to p.
Yes, correct. X cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. What is theta? It is angle made by the normal. It is angle made by the normal with the x-axis. And what is p? P is the length of the perpendicular. P is the length of the perpendicular. Okay. So now let us solve problems based on this. Okay. Write the question, first one. Write the question. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through the point. Find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 4, 3 and slope minus 2 by 3. Find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 4, 3 and slope minus 2 by 3. Slope is negative 2 by 3. Find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 4 by 3 and slope minus 2 by 3. So once a question is given, first you have to identify. Read the question and check what are given. Then select the appropriate equation. Once you apply the values, you'll get the answer. Read the question, note down what all the things given, select the appropriate equation, apply the value, the problem is over. So tell me here which equation you will select. Which formula we have to use. Which are the things given here? We are given with 1 point and 1 slope, isn't it? 1 point and 1 slope. So 1 point and 1 slope means
Point slope form.
Point slope form. 1 point slope form. Okay. 1 point is given and 1 slope is given. So we can take the point, that 1 point as x1, y1. x1, y1 is equal to minus 4, 3. And we can take the slope. Slope as 2 by 3. Slope we denote it as m. 1 point is given. 1 point and 1 slope. So what is the equation of the line? The equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, what is y1 here? 3 equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1. X minus of minus 4. Negative of negative. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into x plus 4. Now cross multiply this. You cross multiply, 3y minus 9 is equal to negative 6x minus 8. Now bring all the terms to one side. You get 6x plus 3y minus 1 is 0. 6x plus 3y. Is it correct, children? Please check it. Okay. Always try to write it in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Linear form. General form we are learning, isn't it? We have learned in 9th standard itself. General form is ax plus by plus c is 0. X term first, y term, then constant term. X term, y term, and constant term. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? 1 point and 1 slope is given means first you identify the formula, apply that value, you'll get the answer. Yes.
How is it minus 6? Minus 6.
Which one? Minus 6? Sorry, it is minus 2, isn't it? Okay, okay. Yes, correct, Aditi. So you'll get plus 2x. Is it correct? I was thinking about this as 6. 2 into, okay, I'm thinking this 3 and 2, and I wrote it as 6. Okay, it is 2. Negative 2 only. It's correct. Aditya, thank you. Now, is it okay? The remaining correct? Is it correct? Remaining part, Aditya?
2x plus 3y.
Okay.
Last equation.
Yes, I changed here in x value. 2x plus 3y minus 1 is 0. 1 point slope form. Is it okay, Tom? Navaneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
And Mary?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it clear? Do you, okay, this mistake, is it clear? This one, okay? This 2 into 6, 2 into x. Is this 2x, negative 2x? I wrote that as 6x. Malavika, is it okay? Okay, so now next, let us do one more question in this model, that is 1 point slope form. Okay, write the next one. Equation of the line. Equation of the line passing through the point. Equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 root 3. Equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 root 3. Equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 root 3 and inclined with the x-axis and inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 and inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. At an angle of 75 degree. It is inclined at an angle of 75 degree. How to do this, children? One point is given. 1 point. So we can take this point as x1, y1. But look at the angle. Instead of slope, angle is given. How will you do this? Yes, Shabarinath. Okay. No. Previous class also you are not there.
No, I was there class before the last. The last class was absent. When it took the interception, all those.
So now if angle is given, how will you find the slope?
Tan theta is equal to the.
Yes, it is tan theta. Okay, here angle is given. So from the angle, we can find the slope by taking tan of that value. Okay, so theta is 75. So from here, you find out what is m. M is equal to tan theta. It is tan of 75. Tan 75, do we know the value? No, isn't it? If from the table, we don't know the value. Then how to find out tan of 75? We have learned trigonometry. So commerce students, okay, applied math students. So how to do this tan 75? Yes, can you recall? Tell me. Tan 75?
Tan 45 plus 30.
Very good. It is tan 45 plus 30. Split it and use the identity tan of a plus b. What is tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b. Use the identity here. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. By 1 minus tan a tan b. So if you apply the value here, it is tan 45 plus tan 30 by 1 minus tan 45 tan 30. So tan 45 is 1. So 1 plus 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3. Then take the LCM, simplify and check whether you are getting m as root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Whether m is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So once we get the slope, we can use 1 point slope form. We can use 1 point slope form and we can find the equation. Is it okay, children? Up to this part, is it clear? Finding the slope. Pooja. Vinayak. Naureen. So now 1 point and slope is there. Point is given, slope is given. So now use 1 point slope form. What about 1 point slope form? Equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1. y1, what is the value here? 2 root 3 is equal to m root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into x minus x1. x1 is 2. Okay. So next step, you cross multiply. root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 root 3 is equal to root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2. Now open the bracket, simplify, and write the equation of the line in general form. Try this. Expand it and try to give the answer. Yes, are you able to do the calculation? Okay, do the calculation. Okay, what is the final answer? Samia, completed calculation. And final equation, can you give in standard form?
Not yet finished.
Okay, try that. Are you getting answer like this, Niranjan? Mehrin? What's your final answer? Are you able to do the calculation? Is it, what is the answer, Shabarinath? When you write in standard form, that is general form. Give the answer.
Should we simplify further? Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
should we simplify further?
No need. We can't simplify it, isn't it? What is the final answer you got? Just read out.
Root 3 plus 1 x minus root 3 minus 1 y.
Hmm.
Same thing.
Minus 4 root 3 plus 4 is 0.
Yeah.
Up to this only. We can't simplify it further. Okay, we can leave with this. Are you getting like this, Aditya? Krishna Kandi? No, Krishna Kanti. Okay, not. Okay, commerce students, this angle questions will not be asked for you. Okay, only the direct questions will be there. Navaneet? Is it okay, Navaneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all able to complete? You completed? Atulya?
Yes, ma'am.
John? Jose? The
Yes,
next one? Okay. Sanjana? Is it clear? Is it okay, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next type? 1 point and 1 slope is given means this is the format. Okay, write the next one. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Passing through the points. Find the equation of the line. Passing through the points 2, minus 7 and minus 1, 6 and minus 1, 6. Find the equation of the line passing through the points 2, negative 7 and minus 1, 6. So how to solve this one? How to solve this? Which formula? We are given with 2 points. Yes, correct, Meherin. We are given with 2 points. So it is 2-point form. Anaga, can you give 2-point form?
Ma'am, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1.
Correct, Anaga. Okay. So 2 points form. So when we are given with 2 points, name the first point as x1, y1. y1 is 2, negative 7. The next point you name it as x2, y2. It is minus 1, 6. So now what is the equation of the line? Equation of the line is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Look at here. It ends with 1. Numerator and denominator is ending with 1. What is the formula? Say it again. Say this, repeat it throughout 3 times. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Okay? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So what is y1? x1, just apply the values. Y minus y1 is negative 7 by y2, 6 minus minus 7 equal to x minus x1. What is x1? 2 by x2 minus minus 1 minus 2. Okay? Is it correct? Whether I have applied the value correctly? Check it. So now it is same as y plus 7 by 13. equal to x minus 2 by minus 3. So you cross multiply this. When you cross multiply this, we will get minus 3 into y plus 7 is equal to 13 into x minus 2. Open the bracket. Minus 3y minus 21 is 13x minus 26. Now bring all the terms to one side. 13x. Okay, we want to write in general form. That is why we are writing like this. X term, then y term, then constant term. X term, y term, constant term. 13x plus 33y. Adidev. Is it correct, Adidev?
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
Is it correct, Akshay Varghese? What the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next one. Write the next question. The vertices of triangle PQR. The vertices of triangle PQR are 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 the vertices of the triangle PQR are P 2, 1, Q minus 2, 3, and R 4, 5. R 4, 5. Find the equation of the median. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. Through the vertex R. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. How to do this? What is given here? We are given with the vertices of the triangle. And we are asked to find equation of the median. What is meant by median? What is meant by median? Yes. Median means?
Line connecting one vertex to the center of other.
Opposite sides, midpoint, correct. Okay. Line connecting one vertex, line joining one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So here we want to draw the median from the vertex R. So we have to join with the midpoint of which side? Pranav, we want to draw the median from the vertex P. So we want to find the midpoint of which side?
QR.
Is it QR? R is here. We want to find the median from R. Median means one vertex to opposite sides midpoint.
PQ. PQ.
PQ. Okay, so we want to find the midpoint. So we want to find the midpoint. So let S be the midpoint of PQ. Is it clear, children? We want to find the equation of the median from R. From R, if we draw the median, okay, opposite side is PQ. So let us name this as S. So S be the midpoint of PQ. So can you find out the midpoint S? Using the midpoint formula, midpoint S is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, when we find out the midpoint S, x1 plus x2 by 2, 2 plus minus 2 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. So it will become 0 by 2, which is 0, 4 by 2, which is 2. This is the midpoint S. Once we get the midpoint, now find out. Okay, once we get the midpoint, you can find the equation of RS. Equation of RS is, which formula you have to use? Which formula?
2 point.
Very good. 2-point form, because 2 points are given. Both the endpoints are given. R is given and S is 0, 2. Okay. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Apply the formula and find out what is the equation of RS. Calculate the equation of RS. What is the answer? When you apply this formula, what will be the answer? Sorry. What is the answer, children? Give me the answer. Final answer. Naurin. Equation of the line.
3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0.
3x minus
4y plus 8 is equal to 0.
Is it correct? Is it correct, Pavitra? Are you getting this answer, Pavitra? Pavitra? Vinayak?
Yes, ma'am.
The equation, is it correct? Pooja? Okay, Vinayak. Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you all completed this one? Pavit? Navaneet? Okay, children. So with this, we end the session now. Okay, thank you.